Hey, we're from the football team.
And today we're going to be talking about campus safety.
When going building from building, you should always stay on the sidewalk.
Part of respecting Male High School on our campus is making sure you do not have food delivered via your family or Uber Eats.
If you do, it will be confiscated by the office and you will get a referral.
Part of respecting others' safety is to not open locked doors to strangers.
Hi, I'm Mr. Youngman.
And I'm Mr. Stewart.
We're here from the English department to talk to you about pausing in the classroom. So the first part of pause is self-respect. It means that you're on time to class and you're in your seat and you're prepared. You do your best work. You also need to be an engaged student. The best part of your education is going to come from you learning and struggling and working to get better at you.
Hi, I'm Jill Mishler. I'm a science teacher here at Mel. I'm also the Student Senate sponsor. In addition to having respect for yourself, you should have respect for others in the classroom. And you can do this by using appropriate language, being mindful to the other learners, and of course being kind and being positive.
Hi guys, my name is Mrs. Dulaney and I teach art. I've been here for quite a while. And I want to talk to you about the Paws program. We're going to pause in the classroom this year. And at Male, we want to put character first. Well, what does that look like? First, you want to follow class rules. That makes it easy for everybody to learn, and everybody has a right to an education. Clean up after yourself. You're old enough to do that, and we're not your mom and we're not your dad. Clean up your own mess. Respect the class materials and lab materials. If you don't take care of them, there won't be any to use. And follow the dress code. That's the easiest part of your day. You have a job, that is school. You wear your uniform to school. You wear it to your other job if you worked at Qdoba or Walmart or Kroger. So just look at that as being prepared for work when you come. Character first also means being respectful and treating people the way that you want to be treated. So we want to model those behaviors and practice them and treat each other like family, because that's what we are.
Hi, we're from choir. We're here to talk to you today about how to be respectful in assemblies.
1, 2, 3, 4.
R-E-S-P-C-T, find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-C-T, take care, T-C-P.
Suck it to me, 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 suck it to me.
Just a little bit, whoa, just a little bit, respect.
Now that we're in the auditorium, let's talk about respect at an assembly. Respect Male by following the dress code and paying attention.
Respect others by listening and applauding appropriately and staying silent. Respect yourself by being attentive and staying awake.
And that's how you respect in an assembly.
Hi, I'm Jeremiah.
And I'm Tara.
And we're representing your senior class. Today we're going to talk about how to use your cell phones respectfully in Male. You can respect yourself by pausing before you post.
You can also respect Male by respecting others by keeping your phone stored in your locker during class times. And you can respect Male by following your teacher's cell phone policy when in the classroom.
Now we're going to show you what you shouldn't do with your cell phones. Man, I love breaking this cell phone policy.
I swear.
R-E-S-P-C-T, follow self policy.
Dang.
Hey everybody, it's time to get lit here in the library. I'm Miss Henderson, your librarian.
And I'm Miss Kersey.
And we are now going to talk about how you pause here in the library. So first, we want to respect ourselves by using appropriate language and staying on task. Then we respect others. You always have a pass when you come to the library and sign in and sign out. And also you return your books on time and return other items where you found them. And lastly, we want to always respect mail. We want to leave the library better than we found it, and also abide by all of the other mail rules here while you're in the library. So come and check us out.
Hey, we're from the yearbook.
And we're here to talk to you about Bulldog expectation in the restroom. Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you about using the restroom correctly. Always start by washing your hands. Use the paper towels too. And then when you're done, make sure you throw it away. And no playing around. God! Watch your language, too.
I'm sorry. All right, let's go.
Alright, another thing to remember is you need to use, flush, wash, and leave. You can't just be in here and wasting time. Also, make sure you only have one person in a stall at a time. There are plenty of stalls for anybody.
Make sure to use the stalls appropriately. Don't vandalize or draw or anything like that on the walls.
Now that we're in the cafeteria, we're going to show you how to respect self, others, and male. This is what you should do.
And this is what you shouldn't do.
This is what you shouldn't do.
Come on, what do you mean? Gosh!
Oh my God.
No! Come on, you gotta be kidding.
Okay, I think it's time to go.
This is what you should do. Use lunchtime appropriately.
Be mindful of your language and volume.
And clean up after your mess. Alright guys, time to go.
Now that we showed you how to be respectful in the cafeteria, let us show you how to be respectful in the hallway.
Follow us.
We show respect to ourselves in the hallway by using school-appropriate language.
We show respect to others by keeping the flow to avoid blocking the hallway and remaining quiet during classes. And we show respect to male by keeping the hallways clean by throwing away your trash and not using cell phones or earbuds during the school day.
Respect the pride.
Respect the age.
Respect the tradition.
Respect male.
Respect male. Respect male.